Hello, Fit Sister in Christ. Welcome to Leg Blast. We are going to shape and tone the lower body, front, back, side to side. We're going to work the hips too. But first, let's just march and march wide. All we need for today is a chair, and we're going to feel great. Now, give me your best, right? No, give God your best. Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. We can be content in the hard work. No fear, no dread, just joy. Now, heel, cross. Now let's just take the arms and give me a tricep and a bicep. So one arm presses down. If you don't like these arms, come up with your own, but make them work. Squeeze your muscles. So right now I've got the bicep working, the tricep, the rear delt. And we're just gonna reach, stretch, stretch. 4 more. Now from here, we're just gonna tap, tap, tap. And go back to your march. March. I hope that you're feeling great. I pray in Jesus' name that He just gives you strength, courage, and wisdom, and a heart of a finisher. Okay, now right here, give me knees, and then tap that foot. Knee, so it's your left knee, and your right foot taps. Do whatever you want with your arms, but stand tall. 1 more. Now march. Other side, this knee and tap. So it's your right knee and left tap. Knee and tap. Come on, smile a little bit. We can get a growl later. Eye of the tiger. Anybody like Rocky? I love the Rocky movies. They always inspire me. Gotta have the eye of the tiger, and Rocky was all heart. March it out. But think about Jesus, the ultimate champion of the heart. Okay, right here, we go up, down, up, down. So we take that heel, heel. Now hamstring curl. So we're gonna pull that heel back. Now I want you to squeeze your back. Now ready? Now 2 on the right, 2 left. So a little balance challenge. I want you to flex your biceps. Guess which ones? Your leg bicep, your hamstring. If you need assistance, just hold on to a chair. Grab that chair already and have it near you. But make sure it's not in your way and it's not a tripping hazard, right? Always safe. Now abduction. We're gonna push the leg away from the body and these bow and arrow arms. Already working. We're already in the workout. Even though we're warming up, you're gonna feel so good, especially when we're done. Now, insole. Oh, always feel this one. Get a nice glute stretch. Warming up through the inner thighs. So you bring that heel up so you can go faster or slower. March it out. Okay, from right here, we're gonna do a right abduction, just the right leg. So you could hold on to the chair if you need it. So we're working balance and strength, pushing that leg away from the body. The left leg is strong and your knee is not locked. 4 more. You can flex your foot or you can point your toes, but we don't want to turn the knee up to the ceiling. We're working the outer hip. Okay, other side, up. So you could have that chair over here, or you could even use the wall. Good, push that leg away. This is great stability too for this leg, this hip. Give me 8 more, or no, let's do 4 more. How about that? That sounds better. 2 more, last one. Okay, now from here, just march and shake it out. Now, take your feet about double shoulder width apart, and we're just gonna turn the body, turn, and I want you to contract your glute, glute to glute. And you're gonna feel a stretch too in the hip flexors. Let them open up. A lot of our back pain, knee pain comes from, and shoulder pain too, comes from our hips being tight and weak and imbalances. So it's so vitally important that we increase circulation and mobility. And that's what we're doing. So just take it one step at a time. Learn how to contract your muscles. You're gonna get so much more out of the workout, and it comes with time. 2 and 1. Okay, march it out. And ready? I want you to grab your chair. Awesome. Take the chair on your right side. Make sure that you have room to step out. We're going to step out with the right foot, and we're going to pulse for 3 and step in. I'm going to give you a side view, so stay where you are. You step out to a sumo. You turn out your toes. To modify, you're just not going to go very deep. But I want you to work on opening up your hips and press through your both heels. Press through both. And again, so shoulders are relaxed. Abs are tight. We're pushing the hips back slightly. So we're not coming forward. I'll show you here. We're not coming forward like this. You want to press your hips back. Okay, last one. March it. Good. Now from here, we're going to take that leg and we're going to sweep it across. Ready? The right leg. We sweep. So just like with the insole of the shoe, kick a soccer ball with the instep of the shoe. This foot, we're not turning it in this way. Turn it more towards the chair. It doesn't have to be totally towards the chair. It's somewhere in between straight and turned out. And the left leg also, I want you to make sure that the knee is slightly bent. 3 more. Remember, never locking out the joint. Last one. Nice. Okay, let's go to the other side. Take the chair and kick up your heels a little bit. Get ready. Now we're going to step the left leg out and pulse a sumo and stepping in. So we pulse equal weight, shoulders relaxed, step out. How do you modify? Remember, you just don't go as deep. I still want you to step out wide if you can, though. A bigger step and land softly. Good. 2 more times. Pulse. Open up the hips and keep your torso tall. Good. Excellent. Now let's take that leg and we're going to sweep it. So remember, this right foot is not turned in. It's not totally turned out. Somewhere between front and side. Step on it and now sweep. Sweep. So strong in the right leg. Like you're kicking a soccer ball. Keep your hips toward me. And exhale. Exhale out your mouth. Stand tall. Let's do 4 more. Good. 2 more. Last one. Make sure your chair is stable. That's not going to slide. We're going to do chair squats. We have to get in and out of a chair every day. Well, we get to. We get to be alive and we get to get in and out of a chair. Take your feet about hip width apart, sit on the edge of the chair, and we go up and down. Make sure your chair is stable. It's not going to slide. Up and down. Now, as we stand, squeeze your glutes and shoulders back and down. You can take the arms out in front. You can have them on your thighs, which is easier. You could hold on to something in front of you. If you have something, you might have to move your chair. But that can also assist you. We want to keep our chest up, our head up, so there's none of this. Down, up. Put your weight in the entire shoe, especially those heels. Last one, and up. Nice. Okay, take the chair over to the left side. Get ready for the right leg. Now this time we are going to turn this left foot more toward the chair. Now we're going to take that right hip and we're going to abduct and pulse. Now you may be right here and that's totally fine. You may find that you get a few reps in and you need to take a break. That's fine too. Relax your shoulders. Remember, this knee never locks out. And breathe. We're gonna make it. Woo! 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Okay. Take your hips side to side. We're gonna stay right here. Give yourself some room. And we're gonna do some sumo pulls. Ready? We go pull, pull, pull. So we're gonna emphasize the sumo pull. Down, accent down. Stay where you are, keep going. Push your hips back slightly. Down and pull. 4 more, come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're not only creating a strong upper body, but you're becoming a fat burning machine. All right, so it's all good. Sounds good to me. Turn the right foot toward the corner of the chair. Lift up this hip and pulse. 2, 3. Ooh. If you need a longer break, you can pause me, but not too long, because we don't want to let those muscles cool down. Come on, we have work to do. It's a blessing to move. Train your body to stay in it, even if you're marching in place. 7, 5. Oh, we're going to do 8 more. Yeah, come on, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Proud of you. That's how you do it. Little steps. You push yourself just a little bit more each day. Now, pull, 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 pull. Keep your chest tall. Pull. Come on, accent down. Pull. And open up the hips. Open those hips so they're not caving in. Come on. Pull. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. You're amazing. I'm so proud of you. Okay, let's take the chair to the side. Kick it out. We're almost there. Stand on your left leg, your left foot, and remember to never lock out the knee. Okay, now straighten the right leg, and we're going to point the toes, and we're going to pulse, pulse. Pretend as though you have a board on your thigh and your shin, so there's no bend in your knee. Make sure too to stand tall, so you're not leaning back. It's not about lifting high, it's lifting within your zone where you're feeling a nice challenge. All right, 8 more now. Shoulders are backing down, stand with good posture. Last 4, 2, and 1. Nice. Okay, let's go to the other side. We are blessed to have 2 legs. I've had to learn how to coach myself, encourage myself in the Lord so I can encourage you in the Lord. It's a gift to be able to have both legs, okay? Here we go, other side. 2, 3, 4. I think about my precious mom who's now in heaven, and she suffered paralysis from a surgery that went bad, and she could not use her right leg. She could, but it was very limited. Her right arm, she had no use. So I have learned from experience, never take for granted your health, and don't make excuses either for what you can do, what I can do. You know, I've learned I've got to focus on the blessings and then move forward, march it out, and take what God has given me and give the best of it as He allows me, as He allows you. This is about us, not about me. This is about us. I want to encourage you to keep moving forward. Here's our last exercise. So we're going to step. Here's the chair. Push yourself back a little bit. Bend your legs. Now stand on your left leg. Lift your right. And we're going to flex, and we're just going to press it up. Now you can point your toe. That's totally fine too. Come on up. We have so much to be thankful for. It's so helpful to remember the gifts that we have. Our health is a gift, our life is a gift, and even with limitations, we are so blessed. It's so important not to allow our limitations to become our identity. 8 more. But to use those very things to show the greatness of God and the glory of God in our lives. Okay. Woo! How'd that feel? You can swing it out. Okay, I'm going to go to the other side just so you can see the leg. You don't have to move if you don't want. Here it is. Here's our last one. Okay, bend both legs. Standing on the right leg. Take the left leg up. Remember, The right knee is not locked out. We're not turning the hip up either. Keep the hip here and press. Come on, this is our last 32 pulses. Press it up. You don't have to go for height. Go for the stretch and the strength, the challenge, pushing against gravity. We're halfway there. Head is in good alignment. Woo! Last 8, come on. 7, all the way. Giving your best. And 3, and 1. And you can swing that out, and congratulations. We just finished leg blast. That was awesome. You guys are awesome. Woo, Fit Sister, you're awesome. Okay, let's give it a stretch. Hamstring curl. Woo, and side step. Don't you feel accomplished? I hope that you feel it throughout your body. A nice challenge. Please don't forget about the stretch workout in the library. Go to those at least once a week. If you're really tight, take it as a bonus. You can do the stretch as many times as you want. And it is so important to maintain flexibility. We only become flexible as we work it. So if you feel like, well, I'm just not flexible, you'll get there. Work it. Just keep on it. Okay, lower the hands. Support on your shins or your shoes. You could even use the chair. I'll show you with the chair. So I could have the chair here for support, pushing the hips back. And even using the chair, make sure the chair isn't going to slide. Take one leg back. Press the heel toward the floor to stretch that calf. Bend the back knee slightly. And switch. If you have a better way that you like to stretch your calves or your lower body muscles, that's fine with me too. Just make sure you're balanced. Okay, so let's use the chair. Have a seat. Sit on the edge. Cross an ankle. And just sit up tall. Oh, this one is a great one that we can do anytime throughout the day. But when your muscles are really tight, ease into it because you don't want to ever stretch, just cold muscles. And then you can hinge. You may not have to go very far to feel this. Okay, switch. What a blessing to work out together today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Keep getting fit on purpose. Just keep celebrating those small wins. Take it one step at a time, one day at a time. In God's grace. He is faithful. He is for you. And you can do all things through Christ. I'll see you next time. You guys, woohoo! You're awesome. So proud of you. See ya.